Lending on Solana has never been easier. Moving your assets is usually a huge pain unless you have a structured step-by-step tutorial to follow. First, I'm going to show you the sequence real quick and then I'll demonstrate it step by step with video. Solana is interconnected with almost every blockchain that exists, so to migrate from Cosmos to Solana, you will need first is a Cosmos wallet, it's Kepler in my case, a Solana wallet is number 2, it's Solflare in my case. It's easy to get and install from solflare.com/download. Always double check and verify all the links you are using. Migration is easiest with an extension wallet, keep this in mind. Squid browser to swap all your Cosmos assets in one place into a single asset, and Noble Bridge to bridge your USDC to Solana. It still works. To date, it's 10th of April 2026. So let me show you how. Step 1. Swap your Cosmos assets to USDC on Osmosis via Squid. First thing we do is, obviously, we connect the wallet. There is a drop-down menu. If you click on the assets, you can see your whole portfolio. The same idea works if you want to bridge from Ethereum chains too. It's a very convenient place to swap. Then you type in the amount while choosing USDC on Osmosis as the output asset. Click swap and approve the transaction. Repeat this as many times as you need until you've swapped everything you wanted. Step 2. Get your Solana wallet. It's Solflare in my case. Now that we have USDC on Osmosis, we have to set up our Solflare wallet. I already have one installed, but just a reminder, go to solflare.com/download, install it, set it up, and write down your seed phrase securely. Make sure no one can see it. Step 3. We have to bridge USDC from Osmosis to Solana via Noble. Next, we go to Noble Bridge website. You can find all the links in the description of this video or on welcome-to-solana.xyz under the How tab. Once we are connected with Kepler, choose the amount you want to bridge. I do not recommend maxing it out. It can cause errors. Then connect your Solflare wallet, click transfer, approve, and wait about 2 minutes until it arrives. It still works. The bridge, it's fine. Nothing is disabled yet. You can easily move your funds, and once it's done, you will see USDC in Solflare. From there, you have a lot of options. One of the best parts is you can find opportunities right inside the Solflare wallet. You can expand it and use it as one-stop shop for everything on Solana. It has prediction markets, swaps, it has private sand, it has stable coins, even a Solana newsfeed. You don't even need a Twitter or X anymore. Plus an explore tab with many Solana apps. I'm joking about X. You always have to have X if you are doing Web3 stuff. And very soon, an AI assistant will be available for everyone too. So you will be able to talk to your wallet, get a digest on your asset performance, and much more. Stay tuned for this one. And of course, you can explore the ecosystem on welcome-to-solana.xyz. Join the group if you have some questions or suggestions, and welcome to Solana.